Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Chioma, and in today's recipe I will show you how to make Nigerian buns. In fact, these buns tasted so delicious, you will enjoy it. So if you want to see how I do it, sit back with me, relax and enjoy. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit on that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So now let's get started. In a clean bowl, I will sieve 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I will add salt, sugar, baking powder, nutmeg. After that, I will mix all these dry ingredients together to combine. I will add 1 orange zest and I will mix very well to avoid them from sticking together. I will create a hole in the middle of the flour and I will be adding 2 eggs, but before then I will whisk them. I'll add the melted butter, milk, but the milk I will be adding it gradually until I get my desired consistency. Remember that the list of ingredients and their measurement will be in the description box below in case if you want to check it out later. And I want to use this opportunity to thank and welcome my new and returning subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you for all your support. And this is exactly the consistency that I'm going for. This is perfect. For buns, your dough should not be very liquid and it should not be very thick. This is the perfect consistency that I'm looking for. Yeah, and when I'm done mixing, I will remove the spatula. Then I will start the frying. So for the frying, sorry guys, I thought my camera was recording, but it was not recording. Sorry for that. So what I just did was just to heat up some vegetable oil, a very good amount of vegetable oil. And when it heats, you start dropping your dough. Just this way. And you have to control the temperature of the oil so that when the outside is golden brown, the inside is also well cooked. So from time to time, I will flip to the other side and fry until I get my desired brownness. And when they are ready, I will take them out and place them on top of a kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. So I will repeat the same process until I'm done frying. Please, as you're watching, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Okay, so if we are among the people that these snacks almost finished their pocket money back then in school, let me know in the comment section, because this snack nearly finished my pocket money back then in Nigeria. I always enjoy it with a soft chilled drink. When they are done, I will take them out as well. Can you see those cracks? It's a very good sign that the bones are very crunchy. And here we have them. So now let's see how they are inside. Wow, this is so beautiful and amazing. These bones tasted so delicious, and the orange zest gave it a very nice taste and a very nice aroma. It was so amazing. So that is it for today, friends. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Until we see you next time, bye bye.